Listen carefully to the office conversation between Emma and Liam. Repeat the conversation to improve pronunciation. Then choose the correct reply for each question.
Liam, do you have a moment? I wanted to check something with you.
Sure, I have a few minutes. What's up?
It's about the quarterly report for Northbridge Limited.
Ah, yes. Is there a problem with the data?
Not exactly, but the client wants a clearer summary section.
I see. They mentioned that in the last meeting, too.
Right, and the deadline has been moved up to tomorrow afternoon.
That's tight. I'm still reviewing the final numbers.
Would it help if I drafted the summary while you finish the data?
That would actually save a lot of time.
Great, I'll send you a draft by noon.
Perfect. I'll integrate it once the figures are confirmed.
Thanks for being flexible, Liam.
No problem. Teamwork makes deadlines easier.
I'll update the client once we're done.
Sounds good. Let me know if anything else comes up.